What is going on, guys? It's your boy Mason, or whatever you know me as. I've got a few different channels here, so this is the Diecast YouTube channel for me, where I do my custom builds and reviews and showcases and unboxings. This one happens to be kind of an unboxing and showcase, I guess. This is something I picked up not too long ago. I've been meaning to do a review on it for a bit. Review, unboxing, showcase, whatever you want to call it. I'm getting back into Hot Wheels, like I've said, I think in my last video or the next video. Honestly, not sure what video is going to be uploaded first, but this one right here is a team transport from Hot Wheels. It is the RWP Porsche 930 on the Aero lift. Honestly, not too familiar with this. The RWP Porsche, I have seen recently on Instagram a lot. I don't even know much about that brand, company, whatever it is, honestly. I just know I really do like this wide body Porsche and the truck it comes on. The color scheme purple is pretty cool, matched with the gold rims on both the truck and the Porsche. I think looks pretty cool. The truck itself, from the photos I've seen, the bed does move, which is why I picked it up. I will be doing a lot of small scale photography here in the future. I am getting back into Hot Wheels, like I said. Collecting is a big thing I plan on doing, as well as the photography. The photography is really the main thing I'm doing because that's my profession. I'm a photographer, videographer. That's what I do kind of for a living. So if you ever want to check out and see what I do in real life, let me know. I'll shoot you a link to the Instagram or whatnot, Facebook, and you can keep up with my real life work going on there. But this is my hobby. This is what I like doing. So let's get into this one. First of all, let's get the Hummer out of the way. It's just rolling. Good old classic Hummer holding the box up. Packaging on it's actually pretty nice. I wish I saved packaging more, but it honestly just kind of gets in the way. But number 17, I've seen a lot of these team transports out there. There's a few of them that I would like to pick up. Don't know if I ever will though, just because I don't know if I'd ever really display them, and they would kind of just take up space. But this one I know I'll use for a lot of photos. Here's some of the other ones. You got the one that we got here, the 70 Plymouth Superbird. That one's actually really nice. I haven't seen that one in person. I have seen it online though. I do like the truck that it does come with. And then the Mazda 787B. I've seen this one a few times. I thought about picking it up, but I honestly am not a big fan of the car itself. And the truck is pretty plain. If I were to get this style, I would get one of the Nissan Fairladies, or I think it's a Datsun 510 as well. That comes in that style truck. There was another one I'm honestly going to go back and pick up if I can find it tomorrow. It is, I want to say it's a GT90 or GT40. I can't remember which one, but it's the same kind of color scheme, but a lighter blue. It actually looks pretty cool. But let's go ahead and pop this open. Yeah, I'm not trying to damage it really, but I don't plan on keeping the packaging, so I guess it really doesn't matter a whole lot. Maybe somebody would like it out there, but I do not plan on using it. If I can get that out of my way, that'd be nice. So I do like that the way it comes displayed. Probably will never ever use that again, but that's cool. Let's take a look at the car first. So the car I like the most because it has a lot of detail to it. The exhausts, the lights, the cutout window, and I don't think it has a roll cage on the inside. Oh, I lied. It does. It is, I think, just the rear. But you got some nice wheels here. Wide body. That's what I like the most, is the wide body aspect. I'm a big fan of it. And then you got the truck itself here. Same style, purple and gold. I'm a big fan of trucks, honestly, especially like the ones that haul vehicles around, and your tow truck style-esque, basically. I picked up a few of them I'm going to be unboxing, and as you can see, it does slide, which is real nice, and it does angle down, it looks like. So yep, it does go flush with the ground here. You can you can't really roll it up because it sits so low to the ground, but you can easily park it up and have it sit on it. Which is pretty cool. I am a big fan of this one, honestly. It's gonna sit in my little diorama sets I have that I use, as well as the ones I plan on making. That's something you guys will probably see here soon. You'll be able to see the ones I own from Greenlight. I've got police station, the gas station, as well as the garage. I'm going to try and get a little display set up where it's kind of like a road, but we'll see how I plan on doing that on the shelf. But that's basically it for this one. I plan on doing a whole lot more unboxings here soon. Probably going to film a few more here in the next hour, honestly, and try and get them uploaded for you guys. But what do you guys think about this? I'm a big fan of it. I do plan on customizing cars, but this is one I don't think I'll touch. It looks pretty good from the factory. I've got a few different Porsches I've picked up that I can mess with and see if I can make something similar to this one. I've got a few of the newer R3 GTS Porsches from RWP that are basically just the ones out of the box, nothing like the Team Transport. So you'll be able to see a few of those. I've picked up a lot of Hot Wheels here in the past 2 or 3 weeks. So you guys will you'll get flooded with them. If you really do want to see everything that I post and kind of keep up to date more on the day-to-day aspect, go check out the Instagram down below. The Facebook's there as well. That's kind of where I'm posting more of the build aspects, not necessarily kind of the unboxings or anything like that, but you'll be able to see the builds if you want to keep up with that. But hopefully you guys did like this video. I'm a big fan of the Hot Wheels, always have been. I've got some of the old school tracks that once I move into my house, when I get that set up, I'll probably set those up on a small scale, nothing crazy big, like, nothing that's going to take up an entire room, but maybe a nice little table's worth. So we'll see what happens in the future. Hopefully you guys did like this video, so do like, comment, subscribe. Do the same stuff I tell you to do in every video. That's probably one of the first times you've heard me say that, but I've always said that in every other video I've made, as far as I know. I think so. If not, whatever. This is kind of the way the YouTube channel is going to go. Nothing really structured. Me being me, showing you what I got and what I like. So, as always, this is your boy Mason, signing out. Peace.